How to dry sunflower, step by step. Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. So for the first step in making our sunflower today, we're going to begin by making one big circle right in the center of our page. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials, just like the sunflower video, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that you can stay up to date with the latest drawing tutorials that we post every single day. Next, all around the circle that we just made, we're going to begin to add some flower petals. Nice job! Now right below, we're going to begin to use one long rectangular-like shape to make the stem of our sunflower. Last but not least, on the left and right hand side, we're going to add in leaves. This is how to draw a sunflower. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you liked the video today, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, stick around to the end so that we can color in our sunflower together. Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.